Unit 11 test, there is some features on Schoology that you will be needing to be familiar with. So I'm going to do a sample input. I'm going to start my new attempt. My question shows up. It says this is a demonstration on how to input answers. So if I have a problem like this, 12x to the fourth equals 2x, and it says answer, they're wanting to know what goes in here. So when you click in here, the calculator comes up and you're going to use it. So 12 divided by 2 is 6. And then x to the fourth divided by x is x. You click here. This is to do an exponent. You put a 3, and then you click out of it. And that, when you click out of it in the box, there's your answer. So please make sure you are familiar on how to input exponents for your calculator.